first time seeing the hood track. Like, what in the hell is he talking about? Want to see racing 07. I'm starting to think, is them bots, y'all? Y'all think them really some bots? Because I'm starting to think, I'm seeing that they ain't said nothing. Chaotic, appreciate the follow. Who that? B Knacking, appreciate the follow. Oh, there go Tyrone right there. Damn, I want to walk over there. Where the bet at? Where you betting at?
I'm gonna go right here and look out. Fuck it.
Okay. Hey, this motherfucker right here running funky time.
That motherfucker over there, man.
Oh, okay.
Who on the other side?
Where you want this side? Yeah. Sound like something soft.
I'm getting 15 to 5 if somebody take the other side.
Hey, 15 to 5.
Hey, 15 to 5. Look. 15 to 5.
Oh! Took that fucking town. Oh, man, I could have hit you in your ass.
Whoa! Watch this, look out. Whoa!
Everybody.
All these scary motherfuckers. All these scary motherfuckers. Especially him. Especially that scary motherfucker over there.
Right there? Yeah.
That motherfucker right there. Him 15 to 5 with this scary right. Scary motherfucker.
Chicken, they say chicken.
Hey,
Yeah.
Mucho pollo.
Mucho pollo, motherfuckers. He said. Mucho pollo, you know about that? Mucho pollo? Him on.
Hell yeah.
Oh, there you go. Let it eat. There you go. Damn, everybody done just showed up. Let it eat. There you go. I tell y'all, goddamn. Lecluke 77, appreciate the follow, man. Hell no, I ain't getting no shit from him.
Right.
Yeah, he's shifting it, man.
No, that's why he should have done it from the bottom all the way to the top.
And going up, started in low. Yeah, he probably, sometimes them gear shifters be tripping, man.
Yeah,
I'm bored now.
Hey, man, look, I still got my Dr. Pepper.
You still hanging on that old ass shit, Murphy? Old ass shit, very flat. That's some taco. Let that shit flat. When you do like this, you don't hear
Okay, I'm gonna shake that bitch up right now. Look, go ahead, open it up. I bet 5 tacos on that.
That motherfucker, look, he trying to go up to 5. He bet me 2 the other day. He just bought me 2 tacos.
He trying to buy the
Cheap
bet.
motherfucker.
Trying to buy the bet.
Now he's saying 5 tacos.
Yeah.
I know what
He
I'm
trying to fuck me now.
Yeah.
Hey, Murph, you trying to fuck over me now.
You know how many times you done try to fuck me?
Oh, yeah.
Well, just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
It don't be that much. If I fuck it, be a little bit like out of 2 tacos. I didn't even ask for no drink.
Okay. Which one y'all going on? Let it eat!
Hey, this side.
I don't think he heard me. Let it eat! Where he at? Oh, he done left, y'all. I thought I was like, damn, why I don't hear him? He didn't left. He ain't over here now. I was about to say, I know I ain't got to say it 2 times for him to respond. He went to go get some more rings. We got Team Thundercock in the building with some type of donation. I don't know what kind, but it's something. We got Rain Washer. Okay, y'all, Rain Washer, that means he don't wash his car, he let the rain wash it. We got G-Shack. Let me see, he be shacking up. Yeah, oh no, G-Shake, he might want to. G-Shake, that's what it is. He like girls that's shaking it. You got all my emojis. Oh, Kiba 420 said he let the rain wash his too. Huh? Yeah, I see him. Devin now say he want to be like Twisted Soul, man. You gotta go down there, old Pittsburgh, man. Left lane with the wind, y'all. He did his thing. Let me go over here and see. I need a terrible towel. Man. Rev at 19. Okay, you got somebody that like to rev the gas pedal since they were 19. Look out. Team Thundercock with some more bits. I can't see how many, but he's sending them. I sure appreciate it. Let's see right here. Man, you got that thing sounding good, man. It sound good in here, man. Okay. What's up with it?
I went to E85 on my truck.
Oh, you did? Where is it?
I'm rebuilding the motor.
You feel? Oh, I thought you already had it ready. He got new heads, new cam, and E85. You ought to feel the difference in that. You gonna feel the difference in that.